Tired of cold showers and discolored water? Then call the water heater experts at Pipe Wrench. We offer water heater repairs or replacements for traditional tank style or tankless water heaters. So call or book your appointment online today at pipewrench.com. And as always, same day service guaranteed or the visit's free.
Good morning. Happy Saturday, everybody. Sure hope you're having a great day so far. Listen, did you have a great 4th of July yesterday? I hope so. The fireworks are amazing. They stayed late. Hopefully you got a little sleep last night. High pressure is the name of the game. That's the story all weekend long. We've been talking about this for several days. High pressure is anchored across the eastern seaboard, the mid-Atlantic. It's going to do a couple things. We're going to start to get a little bit of a return flow from the Atlantic, and we also have a little tropical system down bottom right-hand side of the screen. You can't see it with the QR code. I'll talk about it. We are talking about tropical depression number 3 and how that's going to be affecting the southeastern coastline. Dry air still in place, but a little bit of moisture may start to creep its way in over the next couple of days as that low starts to move its way inland. That's going to increase our dew points, which ultimately will increase our chances for some showers and thunderstorms. We started the morning off with a little bit of fog around the area. Rivers and lakes, not a big deal. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s, so it feels pretty good, which is trending a couple of degrees warmer than what we had yesterday, thanks to the dew points starting to increase a little bit as well. So through the day today, we're going to see those temperatures climb into the upper 80s as we get into the lunch hour. Plenty of sunshine, a few afternoon clouds. Highs top out in the low 90s. Add a little bit more moisture. Heat indices back into the mid to upper 90s. So just like yesterday, listen, if you didn't put on some sunscreen, you're probably waking up with a nice little sunburn this morning. My kids, even though we lathered them up, still that UV index is really high. So again, everyone's kind of got a little kiss of the sunshine yesterday. Here's your future cast. Nothing to walk right home about, but we are going to see plenty of sunshine. We'll see a few afternoon fair weather cumulus clouds. Like yesterday, we had one stray shower or thunderstorm develop across the mountains. Most of it was in North Carolina. Can't rule that out today, although we have a little bit of a lid on top of the atmosphere. So it's probably going to limit some of that. Tomorrow, I think we have a better chance. We'll see a few more clouds across the mountains. You can see our futurecast rainfall picking up on maybe a chance for an isolated stray shower or storm across the mountains of East Tennessee, and that should be about the extent of it today. As we get into the evening hours, well, it's not a Saturday night fire pit night. It's still warm, 86 degrees by 8 o'clock, 80 by 8. The heat index value is going to continue to increase. As I mentioned, the moisture is going to start to increase. Temperatures don't change much. Rain chances increase as well. As we start to get a little bit more of an active wet weather pattern to set up shop, nothing really crazy so far. Nothing too terribly organized, but elevated rain chances will start to make their presence known, I should say, here around town. This takes us all the way through Wednesday, so really not looking at a whole lot of rainfall all the way through Wednesday. But as we take you through Friday, we'll start to see a little bit more activity. And notice the rain across the eastern seaboard from the Outer Banks of North Carolina all the way down to Charleston. And that's associated with tropical depression number 3. Here's the radar. Not much organization right now, but remember, we've been talking about this, and well, lo and behold, we have a tropical storm. Tropical storm 3, tropical depression number 3, or maybe it's a tropical storm now. So we'll see what the National Hurricane Center has updated the forecast as of this recording. We'll record another one here in just a little bit. But anyways, tropical storm, that's going to become a tropical depression. Either way you look at it, it is going to bring some rain showers across much of the southeastern U.S. And if it technically is, even though my graphic, it's all automated. So even though my graphic says tropical storm, I'll have to go back to the computer and double check. They may have updated it as of this recording. And if so, it's Tropical Storm Chantal. All right. Here's your 7-day forecast. Average high for this time of year is 88. We're going to stay in the low 90s. So those low 90s continue across the 7-day stretch. Have a great day.